that is very powerful is to include that company. So if, for example, we have been working or we are working with Apple, then we'll include Apple. However, instead of current, we'll go with past. So you'll just find people who used to work at Apple. So in that way, if, for example, we used to, oh, that is interesting. There we go. Maybe there's some kids watching. So if you're currently working with Apple and you'll search for sales leaders that used to work at Apple and you reach out to them, you can either say, hey, you remember how you used to work with us? Now that you're working at Microsoft, maybe you want to work with us again. Then they'll know you, and those are going to be some very, very good leads for you to reach out to. Or they're going to know, okay, you know what, these guys are, I don't know them, but they're working with Apple. I used to work there. I know they don't just work with anyone, and that's still a really good into that new company, into that prospective client. So those are some of the best leads that you're going to find using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So if you already have some clients that you're working with, then you definitely want to be using that filter as well, or that option.